Let's discuss circular flow. Adding the additional component of savings, with a particular focus on the effects of savings on consumption. If you remember the circular flow diagram introduced in video 2, the two major components were households and firms. Businesses or firms are buyers. That includes small business, medium businesses, and larger businesses too. They all are buyers of the factors of production, including workers via payroll. Businesses sell products to households online and on location at retail stores. What about the role of households? Households of all sizes. Households are buyers online and at retail stores. Households are also sellers, with household members selling their time and talents. Selling their time and talents at all levels of employment, from the factory floor to the executive suite, and every job in between. We also need to include government in the circular flow because of taxes and spending. Taxes reduce consumption since households and businesses have less to spend. There's also government spending on roads and improvements, as well as national defense, which coincidentally tends to crowd out, as it's called, private business earnings. But what about the effects of financial institutions on savings and consumption? A key effect associated with financial institutions is leakage, as consumers divert spending to saving. But what causes the propensity or likelihood to save or to spend? It's all due to the effects of interest rates. Low interest equals a greater propensity to borrow. Construction borrowing is more affordable with lower interest. Rising interest rates discourage borrowing, with less development due to higher costs to borrow. Higher interest discourages purchase behavior, especially for large purchases. But higher interest boosts propensity to save. So those are the effects of financial institutions on savings, consumption, and capital formation. And that's our review of circular flow with savings.